Hey everybody, it's that boondocking diva again, coming at you with another video. I am at ChasmFest with WhereisTiffany, and today I am interviewing the lovely Miss Anna. Hey Anna.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm great.
So, wonderful setup here. You're in a Honda Odyssey, and how often do you camp?
Well, the plan is for me, so far this year I've camped 4 times, but I've tent camped right before this for a few days, and then I came here. So far this year I've camped 4 times.
Okay, so do you feel like you're a beginner for the most part?
Oh yes, total beginner.
Yeah. Hey everybody, it's that boondocking diva, and I just caught Miss Tiffany, Miss Deborah, and Miss Anna cooking over here, making some breakfast at ChasmFest. He is
can you put some on here?
making it do what it do with the eggs, and they got some bacon over here. Anna made.
Edit out my BBs.
Ooh, Anna, girl. We're gonna be talking to Anna more a little bit later. This is her van. You got a name for your van?
No.
She working on it, y'all. So good to meet Anna. And she got hot dogs. So all this stuff was in your van. Oh, you have pancakes? Girl, show the pancakes. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Goodness
Everything's in my
gracious.
little van.
That's awesome. Awesomeness. Beautiful. Miss Deborah's putting some pepper. Is that pepper?
This is garlic, salt, and pepper.
Okay.
Yes.
Mixing it up. Mixing it up.
And yeah, sea salt, roasted garlic, onions, and parsley.
Okay. I see some avocado. What kind of eggs we making, Miss Tiffany?
Scrambled eggs.
Just, okay.
Basic scrambled eggs.
Basic scrambled eggs.
Missing the cheese though, 'cause I like cheese in my eggs.
I got a brand new pack of cheese that I haven't opened if you want to use it.
Is it sliced cheese or is it?
It's
block?
shredded.
Shredded.
I got some shredded cheese.
Oh, you got it? Okay. There you go. She came ready.
I shredded some
She came
cheese,
ready.
too. I was ready, y'all. I shredded 2.
Okay. Let me take a picture so I can send it to my sister.
I love this. Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just swing around so y'all can see this lovely setup. Look at this. Got her comfortable bed. All her supplies. She came ready. For real.
Yes, red tea. We ain't playing.
This ain't no joke. So these are Coleman. This is a Coleman stove over here.
It's a Coleman 2-burner with a Ignite 5-pound
Okay.
propane tank. Yes.
And how often do you cook when you're camping? All the time?
All the
or?
time.
All the time.
Yeah. We usually cook everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Take a picture of pancakes.
Huh? Of course.
Pancakes. Yummy, yummy, yum. And we're gonna put some shredded cheese in the eggs. What y'all gonna do with the avocado? Cause I'm
Anybody
thinking
want to put it on top of their eggs?
Yeah.
If you have some toast,
you can put it in the eggs too.
I don't have any bread.
We could get a loaf of bread, and for tomorrow we could do avocado toast. I got 3 avocados in my bag.
Yeah.
okay, cool.
So tomorrow we can do avocado
I
toast.
have tortillas
That'll
too.
work.
Ooh,
I got
that sounds good.
Put on tortillas.
Tortillas
That's
and
what
eggs.
we
That sounds
like food.
really
We like
good.
food. I'm sorry, I just love food.
I'm a foodie too.
We got this.
Just wanna make sure it's.
Guys, I burnt the eggs. I'm so sorry.
Oh no, you didn't.
over
They
there
still
trying
look
to-
good. It's still workable.
Let's
Put that cheese in there. There you go.
Okay, we'll take this. We won't serve this to no one. We eat this ourselves.
Here. There you go. Whichever. I don't know what's easier
Okay.
to put in.
Guys, I'm sorry.
We gonna eat it, honey.
Okay.
So yeah, whichever one.
Let me take it out.
They still look good.
Tiffany don't good burn to me. food.
They look good
at
to me too.
Okay.
That's all. And I have 6 more.
Oh yeah, look at all these supplies, y'all. This girl, so organized up in here. Yes, indeed. And
But
you,
I love it.
yeah. So you did this setup yourself? You just got inspired and from research and
Yes.
decided to put it together and try it?
Got inspired, went through my junkie garage and found a bunch of stuff that I could use in here.
Yeah.
And I built the platform. A friend gave me a big sheet of plywood, and the only thing I had to buy was the 2x4s and the
Okay.
2x2s and some screws. And
Nice.
here you go. Nothing's attached
Yeah.
because this is my family vehicle.
Okay.
And yeah, I love it.
Yeah. So when you're not camping, this goes back to the normal Honda Odyssey
Oh yeah,
transport.
yes, I will remove everything and put the middle seats back in and bring the back seats out the floor.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
go back to that mommy business.
Awesome. So what do you enjoy most just from your experiences so far about camping?
Just meeting great people like you.
Oh, thank
And of
you.
course, Tiffany? And of course, all the other ladies that are here that I've had a chance to meet and bond with.
Yeah.
And just the freedom and
Yeah.
just being out in nature.
Yes, nature. Some beautiful nature around here.
Yes, it is.
In Lake Havasu, Arizona is where we're at. What advice would you give to other ladies? Because you're just getting started, and there are a lot of people who just don't know how to get started. Like, what advice would you give to those ladies who are like, I don't know what to do first. I'm afraid to travel by myself, you know. And I see all these people doing it, but I just haven't had the courage.
Yeah. Well, first I'll say this. People will try to reject their fears on you, and that's where you gotta cut that out. You gotta just tell them, you know what? It can't be safe out there for us. You just do your research on places to go, and you start off at places where there are other people there, and or find a buddy that may want to try it with you for a day or two.
Good idea. Yeah.
But do a lot of research, and you could do it in any vehicle.
Yeah.
Any vehicle.
A car, a van.
I see people doing it in Fiats, Prius. I mean, you could do it in any vehicle.
Yeah, yeah.
And set it up, and if you keep living on that fear, you will never live your full
life.
Full potential.
Right. Yeah.
There's too much out here in this beautiful world for you not to go.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So tell us, what do you have in the big bin right here?
So this is it's an Arctic ice chest,
Okay.
and it holds ice up to about 10 days. You'll have to like drain. You'll have to like drain the water from the bottom and put ice back in it. But I have been this ice has been in here since Tuesday.
Wow.
So
and it's Sunday.
Yes, of course. The more you open it, the more you know.
Right.
But I think it's a great option.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to have to worry about a lot of power
Yeah.
for different things. And
Yeah.
you just choose your different foods
Right.
wisely. That'll keep well, and you have to learn little tips and tricks on how to pack it.
Yes.
So,
And
yeah.
y'all, she did a wonderful job. She cooked tacos for us last night. She helped make breakfast yesterday, bacon and sausage and something else, eggs, all kinds of pancakes. So yeah, she the fact that she was able to pack this thing and then keep it all fresh. You don't have to have a refrigerator, is what she's saying.
No, you don't. You could always catch these on sale. Not sponsored.
Yeah.
But you can always catch these on sale.
The brand name is
Arctic.
RTIC. Okay. So if you want one, check it out. Do a Google. So the bed, you said you just bought some 2x4s and built it yourself.
Yes.
Did you have to go get the wood cut at like a Home Depot, or did you cut it yourself?
I actually cut it all myself.
Nice. You got the
like power tools. So
okay.
I do have a bunch of power tools, and I have my friend's house.
Yeah.
I also cut some at my friend's house.
Okay. Cool.
So I wouldn't have to pull all my stuff out and keep putting it back. So.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. So besides this event, though, have you ever camped alone or boondocked?
So yes, right before I came here, I camped at Willow Beach
Okay.
Camp Resort, which is along the Colorado River.
Okay.
And I tent camped there,
Nice.
and I kayaked the Colorado River.
Okay, so you do have a tent that you can.
Yes,
Okay.
it's a small 2-person tent.
Okay.
It doesn't attach to my vehicle or
Okay,
anything.
so
it's just a regular. It's under here.
Yeah.
This little tent right here.
Sundome.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And I love it. it's easy.
Easy
You
to
let-
put
you
up.
put it up in 5 minutes, and I was nice and good air circulation.
That's awesome. Yeah.
yeah.
And then you just bring a chair, a tent,
A
and
chair,
then do what you got to
tent,
do.
and I had a sleeping bag because it was like
Cold.
high 40s or
Yeah.
50.
Yeah.
Sleeping bag and a pad,
Okay.
a mattress
Okay.
pad.
And then for power, is this your
For
main
power,
source?
Yes, I have. This is a 1200 watt EcoFlow Max.
Okay.
River EcoFlow Max.
Okay. Do
Yeah.
you use solar to?
No,
Okay.
I do have. So I've been using it since Monday, and it's only at 77%.
Oh, nice. So you're
But I only power my watch,
okay.
my cell
Okay.
phone,
Yeah.
my iPad. So because I don't have any other things like a refrigerator.
Okay. Right.
And I also have a little electric cooker, and I can also do it off of this too.
Cool. So are
So,
you
yeah.
charging it as you drive too, or you haven't had to?
I haven't had to charge it.
Okay. Nice.
So since I'm only charging those 3 items,
Yes.
and my main focus is to just be here and connect. I'm actually not using any devices as much anyway.
Mhm.
So yeah.
Yeah, I tell people the minivan is like one of the best ways
Yeah.
to get started because the
Yes,
room,
it is. Yes.
the layout of minivans.
And I do have a solar panel. I just haven't had a
Right.
chance to try it out with this. It's not the same brand.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And a lot of minivans have like a plug. Like I have a Pacifica, and it has a plug where you can,
So
charge
yes,
it.
I have a, what is it called? This DC. I do have a DC plug in the back of my
Okay,
van.
okay. So you
And,
could charge it if
yes,
you
and
wanted.
I have one in the front.
Okay.
So if I could definitely charge it when I'm driving, because this one, what I like about this brand, it came with all 3 plugs.
Okay.
Solar plug, DC plug,
Yeah.
and is it AC for the wall? Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah.
Cool.
So, but I love this thing, and I was able to get it at a great deal.
Great. All right. So let's check out the back.
Okay.
All right. She stocked up, y'all.
So,
She came ready.
so this is the bag.
Yeah.
This is 2-3 gallons, and then this is a 5-gallon with my little electric pump.
Okay.
Um,
And what brand is that electric pump?
this, you know what? I don't know. It's so many of them on.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's called High Quality Life.
Okay.
Amazon, of course.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I like the color of
So
it.
I had to make it because it didn't have a long enough neck. So I just found this,
Nice.
so it could all work.
Working it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so these were just some drawers I got
Mhm.
again from the same friend, his mom.
Okay.
And I just took off the drawer slides and created these things to sit on top and put bolts
So this
to make
is
it all sturdy.
this is all self-contained. This gray thing.
Yes, this is all self-contained.
Okay. So it's just tied down.
It's not even tied down, but I do recommend trying to tie it down.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
this you built.
Well, the drawers,
The drawers.
were already built,
Gotcha. Okay.
and I just took off the drawer slides
Gotcha.
and I added these pieces.
That's very
this
creative.
piece right here.
Yeah. Just using
And-
what you got.
Yeah, and I just created it with bolts so
Mhm.
I could take it apart when I get home and put it back in my rafters
Nice.
in my garage. So,
Girl, I didn't
yeah,
know you had all that
Yeah.
that tool skill.
So I keep all my pots,
Yeah.
my dishes, my pots and pans down here.
Yeah.
Got my trusty cast iron. And I keep all my other little stuff here.
Mhm.
And this is also one of my favorites. This
Okay.
little collapsible tea kettle.
Oh yeah. Nice.
And this is a little cutie. I haven't had a chance to use it.
Mhm. What is
But
that?
it's like a electric skillet and rice maker.
Oh, okay.
And the best part about it, it was only $10.
Nice.
And I believe it's 275 wattage, so I can use it on my
It's electric.
Yes, it's
Can you pull it
electric.
out one more time?
Yes.
Let's see.
Walmart, and I went back
Oh.
2 days later, and it was marked down to $5.
My
so,
mini.
So run to
Okay.
Walmart.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Cool.
very cute.
So have you used that since you were here?
No, I
Okay.
didn't use it here. I haven't used it at all. I did plug it in
Yeah.
to see everything as far as how much power it would draw.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay.
It would draw probably about 10% if I use it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So you got everything you need in the
So I
bag.
have everything. This is my little knife. This little set comes with my knives.
Yeah.
My knives, cutting board,
Okay.
and my little dish rag.
Beautiful. And so the seats, because I know in my Pacifica, I can put my seats down on the floor. Is that what's happening with yours?
Yes. So these are my seats that'll flip right back up.
Okay, but the middle seats.
The middle seats, I have to completely remove them.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so they're at home.
Okay.
In the
You
garage.
just put them back in.
Yes.
Nice. All right.
Yes, and so my food storage. And
So what's next in terms of camping?
so I don't know. I want to definitely try to do something before, the new year.
Yeah.
As you were telling me, you could. I've been to the Grand Canyon, but I didn't know you could actually camp. They let you stay overnight, so I may try that if I can find me a buddy.
Yeah. All right.
Yes.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for sharing
You're welcome.
your camping journey. And so for all the women out there who think you have to have an RV, you do not
Nope.
have to have an RV. This beautiful Honda Odyssey or any minivan or car will work.
Yes.
So yeah. Thank you, Anna.
Thank
You've been
you.
awesome.
Thank you, Fia.
So nice. All right, so Anna, tell us just a little bit more about your cooking process.
Okay, so what I do with my cooking, as you see, I have one camp table here.
Yeah.
And I already have the other one. So what I do is I connect it with a bungee cord.
Okay.
And it doesn't make any noise and it does not move.
Okay.
And then I have another table over here. And this table folds up. And
Nice.
and it connects over with the other table.
Yeah.
And then this goes back in the back of my vehicle, with where you saw my food station at.
Okay.
And
In the
nothing-
bag.
Yes. And nothing makes any noise because
Nice.
those noises when you drive can be a little bit,
Yeah.
And I also I opted for the 5-pound Ignite propane tank
Okay.
over the
That's-
1-pounders.
That's how you're powering
yes,
the
that's
Coleman.
Yes. This is a gas
Okay.
2-burner Coleman
Okay.
that I use.
Nice. Well, it definitely worked because all that food you've been cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's awesome. And all this fits in your van.
Yes, all this fits in my van. As you see in my front seat,
Mhm.
this stuff is my stuff for the camping trip that I went to earlier.
Okay.
So typically this really won't be here. But as you see, I have my luggable loo. That's how I will use the potty if I need to go inside of my van.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm not by a bathroom at a camping or whatever.
Y'all see, it's normal. It's
Yes,
okay
it's
to use the
normal.
bathroom in your minivan.
Yes, I use wood pellets in mine.
Uh-huh.
And also too, I have all my safety stuff.
Yeah.
To protect myself, and
Yeah.
if I get a flat, I have everything I need to fix that flat. And
What do you have for fixing a flat?
So I have a can of Fix a Flat. I
Okay.
also have a air compressor. This is a
Okay.
air compressor,
Okay. All right.
and I also have a electrical jumper in case my battery die or something.
Right.
I also have that.
That's
So I
awesome.
have a number of things to, that I could try, and I know they work because I helped somebody on my way here.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah, so I thought that was pretty encouraging. That
Somebody
I was
had a
able,
flat and you
they,
stopped.
well, they had their car wouldn't start,
Oh.
and so I used my little
Well, that was nice of you.
to get them started, and it
Yeah.
started right up. So that was nice to know that kind of stuff do work.
Yes, definitely
Yeah.
bring everything in terms of like fixing a flat because you never know.
Yep.
I got the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's this silver?
Oh, this is just a little 2-cup cook set by
Okay.
Stanley. I've never used it.
Yeah, just
I
something
just
you
bought
might.
it because
Yeah.
it was on sale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the camper's life.
Yeah.
You see little things that you think
Yeah,
you can
that I
use.
think
and-
I can use, and if I don't use it within a certain amount of time, I gift it to somebody who would use it.
All right, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing your cooking process. That was awesome.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And we're
too.
gonna camp in the future.
Yes, we will.
High five.
Yes, we will.
Signing off, y'all.